Do you want to share full-length Instagram Reels to your story, but you don't know how to do it? You came to the right place. If you try to share a reel from your profile, or from someone else's profile, but the video is split or it's not full-length when you try to share it, then make sure you watch this video until the very end, because I'm going to show you a little trick. Firstly, make sure that your Instagram application is fully updated to the latest version, and after that, we're going to find the reel which we want to share to our story. The first step is to get the reel link, so we will click on the share icon at the right side, and after that we will tap on the copy link button. Now that we have the Instagram reel link, you want to exit the app and open your App Store or your Google Play Store and search for this app. This app is free, and it is called Repost for Posts and Stories. This app will allow us to share full-length reels to our Instagram stories. So once you install this app, you want to open it, and then we will allow Instagram to paste the link on our app. If it prompts you to subscribe, you can just click on the X button at the top left corner of the screen, and let's go over to the next step. You can see that we have our reel in the app, so let's click on it to open it, and then tap on the repost button. Allow the app access to your photo gallery because it will have to save your video first. Open Instagram, and you will have the option to select where you want to share this Instagram reel. I will select the story because that's where I want to share my reel, and that's it. You can now share your Instagram reels in full length on both iOS or Android.